So good morning. Today we will solve few more examples on derivative of a exponential function and logarithmic function. So consider example, differentiate square root of x minus 1 and x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 with respect to x. So solution. So here consider y equal to square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5. Take squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Here we get LHS y square is equal to, so x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5. By squaring root and to get cancel the remains with only x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 and x minus 5. Now take log on both sides. Taking log on both sides, we get, so log y square is equal to log of x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5. Also we know that logarithmic properties. So first one, log m to the power n is equal to n into log m to the power log m. And also second property, so log of m into n is equal to log of m plus log n. And third one, log m by n is equal to log of m minus log n. By using these three properties, we will simplify this one. Log y square is nothing but log m to the power n. So this becomes, so 2 log y is equal to log m by n. In place of m we have numerator and in place of n we have denominator parts, that is x minus 3 x minus 4 and x minus 5. So this becomes log of x minus 1 into x minus 2, okay, minus log m minus log n, that is log of x minus 3 x minus 4 and x minus 5, log m minus log n. Again second property, log m into n, here m into n, in place of m we have x minus 1 and in place of n we have x minus 2. This implies 2 into log y is equal to log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2. By using second property, log mn equal to log m into log m plus log n. So minus again by using this one only, second one only, log m n and one more p. Consider p, log m plus log n plus log p. So outside is minus, so take it bracket. So that is log, so minus log of x minus 4 x minus 3 plus log of x minus 4 plus log of x minus 5. Now remove the bracket of a second term. So here LHS as it is log 2 into log y is equal to, first term is as it is log of x minus 1 plus log of x minus 2. Now remove the bracket of a second term, that is minus into plus, that is minus of log x minus 3 plus minus into plus minus log of x minus 4 minus into plus again minus log of x minus 5. Now differentiate with respect to x, we get, that is differentiate with respect to x, we get 2 is constant, LHS part 2 is constant, so keep it as it is. Log y differentiation, that is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, because we know that d by dx of log u is equal to 1 by u into du by dx. So therefore 2 into 1 by y into dy by dx. Here also log u 1 by x minus 1, in place of u we have x minus 1, 1 by x minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2, in place of u again we have x minus 2, so therefore x minus 1 by x minus 2 into d by dx of x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3, in place of u we have x minus 3, so therefore 1 upon x minus 3 into d by dx of x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 into d by dx of x minus 4 minus last term again by comparing these two we have in place of u we have x minus 5, that is 1 by x minus 5 into d by dx of x minus 5. So this is equal to 2 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by x minus 1 as it is. Differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of constant is 0 plus 1 by x minus 2. Differentiation of x is 1 again minus 0 plus minus 1 by x minus 3 1 minus 0 minus 1 by x minus 4 1 minus 0, because x differentiation is 1, 4 is 0, and last one that is minus 1 by x minus 5 into 1 minus 0. After simplifying we get 2 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 plus, because 1 minus 0 is 1 into 1 again we get same only 1. Now all the terms we have 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0. So therefore 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. So now transfer this y to RHS part. We get 2 into dy by dx is equal to y into all the terms 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. Next, now transfer 2 to RHS side. Now transfer this 2 to RHS part. We get, so dy by dx is equal to y by 2 into 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5, which is the required solution. 50 minutes of the rocket. So again, consider next example. Here differentiate cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x with respect to x. Here given is cos x into cos 2x, cos 2x into cos 3x. We have three functions, that is cos, cos. So now we have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So consider y equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. And we know that product of differentiation, product rule, that is d by dx of u into v is equal to, we have d by dx of u into v, that is first function constant, differentiation of second function plus second function constant, differentiation of first function. But here we have three functions. So for that purpose, consider here taking log on both sides. So taking log on both sides. So we get log y equal to log of cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. That's what we have by the property of logarithms. That is log of m n, consider one more function p. This implies log m plus log n plus log p. So comparing these two, we have cos x equal to m, cos 2x equal to n, and p equal to cos 3x. Then this implies we get, by applying logarithm property, we get log y is equal to log of cos x plus log of cos 2x plus log of cos 3x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Again we have differentiation of log u d by dx of log u is equal to 1 by u into du by dx. By applying this formula, we have to differentiate. Okay. So log y differentiation is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to log of cos x, log u. In place of u we have cos x, that is 1 by cos x into cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Okay, cos x differentiation is minus sin x plus again 1 by cos 2x, because in place of u we have cos 2x, and cos 2x differentiation is minus sin 2x into 2, because again we have formula d by dx of cos of ax plus b. This equal to, we have minus a into sin of ax plus b. If suppose in this equation, if b equal to 0, then we get d by dx of cos of ax, because b is 0, so ax. This equal to minus a into sin ax. Okay. Now comparing these two, cos ax and cos 2x. In place of a we have 2, so therefore minus 2 into sin 2x. So therefore minus sin 2x. And last function again it is also ax common. So by differentiating we get plus 1 upon cos 3x into minus differentiation of cos 3x. Cos ax is minus a into sin ax, then cos 3x is minus 3 into cos 3x. Now simplify this one, we get, so 1 by y, LHS part as it is, 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x divided by cos x. Again plus into minus sin 2x minus 2 into sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Again plus into minus, so minus 3 sin 3x divided by sin cos 3x. Again we know that because tan x is equal to sin x by cos x, so tan x equal to sin x by cos x. Here minus sin x divided by cos x, that is minus tan x. Now transfer this y to RHS part. Part. So y into minus sin x divided by cos x is tan x, so minus tan x. Again minus 2 sin 2x divided by cos 2x is tan 2x. Minus sin by cos, that is 3 into tan 3x. Here minus is common in all the parts, so take it outside. We get minus y into tan x plus 2 into tan 2x plus 3 into tan 3x. So this is a required solution, that is dy by dx is equal to minus 5 into tan x plus 2 tan x tan 2x plus 3 into tan 3x. Okay.